Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am going to show you how to replace the car key battery of your Volkswagen. Replacing the battery works the same for most keys. The only difference is how to open it. There are keys where you have to pull, and then there are ones, like this, where you just have to push open the edge. Look out for the indentation. Use some force here and push against it. Now it snaps out of the first anchor. To get the cover of the second anchorage, you'll have to use a little bit more force this time. As you can see, there is a 2032 battery in the key. The first two letters don't matter. What matters is 2032. Now push the battery down slightly and it should jump towards you. Now wait 10 to 30 seconds. You should wait these seconds, otherwise there could be small problems with your radio signal. If that happens, just take the battery out and put it back in. Now insert the new battery and press the cover on. Make sure that the cover is fully locked in place. That's it. You have now successfully changed your key battery. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.